Well, welcome to John's Bomber Making. Today we got Lancaster Bomber. Yes, another two issues. Issues 56 and 57. Excellent. I thought I'd actually done 56, but we haven't. So there's 56. There's not a great lot to it actually. It's just a lot of detail. There's a medicine box, another parachute with its storage container, and there's a WC, which we need to mock up as well as paint. And there's 57. That is the part of the tail. Excellent. It's looking good anyway. These two might be a little bit quicker than the previous two. So anyway, let's have a quick look at the instructions. Okay, the tail section, parachute, the first aid box and the WC unit are all assembled and painted, and these items are all fixed into their correct positions in the tail section of the model. So here we have the tail section. We have that flare gun there, or flare tube I should say. Yeah, that's the only detail we've got in there. There's a bench in there as well as a ramp, but I would imagine it goes in there. I think over there. Yeah, I think that looks out of position actually. How curved that is there. I don't know how that's come out of there. There's a groove there for it. Yeah, sort that out. Anyway, let's have a quick look at these. So there we go. Just got to smooth them down. Bit of painting. Shouldn't take too long. Got to put the red cross on the box, of course. Yeah, and there's the WC. We can muck it up a little bit. I think I might just hand paint these rather than get the airbrush out. Yeah, and then we just pop them into place. There we go. There's the flare tube on the floor, and we can see them all in place. That is gonna look excellent. Love all the detail of this. And then in issue 57, the assembly of the port side tailplane section has begun. The tailplane ribs are fitted to the rear and forward tailplane spars, and then the hinge blocks and other elements of the construction are added. There we go. Yep, just a bit of gluing. I'm not sure if there's any strings on this one yet, but there is room for them, of course. No, that is it. So this one, or these two, may not take all that long. So without further ado, let's get on with the build. Well, there we have it. There's the portside tailplane section. Got to finish it off, of course, but it's all glued and dried now, so that's looking absolutely superb. And there we have the parachute and the rear end of the fuselage, the first aid kit, and the WC, looking nice and mucky. Excellent stuff. And I corrected this as well here, looking brilliant. So that's 56 and 57 completed. There we go, looking great. We got more detail to add onto this rear fuselage section, and obviously we will need to finish this off. Stringers, of course, upper and lower, looking brilliant. That's going to look fantastic, as all of this plane is going to do. Brilliant stuff. Anyway, that is 56 and 57. Yep. So 58 and 59, they'll be up on my channel in a couple of weeks time. So brilliant stuff. Anyway, if you did like that, give us a big thumbs up, subscribe, hit that notification bell, and I'll see you soon for the next 2 issues. Thanks for tuning in and watching. Bye for now.